Right, just an update on my rebuild of the YZ450F 2005. Started just taking the tank off. I'll go through it. Taking the tank off, the subframe, the radiators, the front mud guard, all the plastics are off. Subframe, I've given the radiators a clean. I'll give them a bit of a better cleaning the next couple of days. Got the pipes ready to be put back on. I've got the exhaust to sort out. It's got some rivets missing, so I'll try and drill those out. Might actually drill the whole lot out and put new in. Give this a good cleaning. Maybe a bit of a polish. We'll see. The radiator protectors, I think they're called. Putting all my parts in bags and writing on the bags what they are. The next thing that I'm going to do is take the shock off. Oh no, sorry. The next thing I'm taking the sprocket off. I'm going to have to put my chain on and lock the back wheel and take it off with my impact driver. Then I'm going to take this off the shock. Then take the carburetor off and then start taking, take the hot start, the cables off. Obviously that's part of the carburetor. Take the clutch cable off, breather pipe, and get all the cables for the starter free, and all the electrics, get them out of the way, and then start taking the engine out. I'm going to leave the forks. I know I have to remove the swing arm to get the engine out, but I'm not going to worry about the frame until I've done the engine. I'm going to hopefully get the frame powder coated. I don't think I'm going to get the same Yamaha blue. I do really like the Yamaha blue, but thinking about black, but I don't think so. I think I like the Yamaha blue. I'll try and get something similar. Once I've done the engine, once I've got the engine out, I'll come back to you.